Hey everyone, Andover Adam here. We're back for a very special Throwback Thursday because today we are officially getting our machine started. We are starting up the relaunch of the Blue Sky collection, the original collection that we did with Laundry Basket Quilts. It's all going to be available starting October. Let's check out the details. So this is the original Blue Sky artwork, the Blue Sky storyboard. And as you can see here, we guaranteed that we would keep it in stock through at least June of 2018. Well, it's about to be June of 2020, and here we are. You've told us, can you bring back this fabric? I wanted to make one more project. Edita had another quilt that I just had to make. I just need it for my stash. You're all in luck. This is the perfect time. I feel like this is the fabric comfort food that we all need right now. Let's take a closer look at what makes this collection so special. So first of all, I don't think there's anyone better in fabric design than Laundry Basket Quilts in making sure the color flows from dark to light and into the neutrals. She is so good at finding ways to kind of bridge the gap, using these multicolored pieces to kind of bridge between your blues and your straw colored prints and into the creams. There's nobody who does it better than her. Another thing you just have to love about this collection is the main print. This is a beautiful, beautiful document that we took months and months and months to make sure that we got right. When you talk about painstaking attention to detail, you can see it across all four colorways of the main print here. One quilt that everyone absolutely loves is Edita's Winter Village quilt. She actually has a free YouTube tutorial up on her channel. You should definitely go watch that. It's just a lot of fun. Last week, Edita also posted a studio tour to her channel. You're absolutely going to want to see it. It's going to give you some serious fabric FOMO. Oh, you're still here. I thought everyone would just go watch Edita's videos. I was having third lunch. Hold on one sec. Sorry about that. Here we have the free quilt pattern for Blue Sky. This is Edita's Stargazer quilt, which you're going to be able to find on our website, and we'll link to it down below. It's got great instructions on how to use the Blue Sky collection, and it's a nice, easy quilt with nice, easy cuts. You're going to love making this. Thanks so much again for watching, everyone. Remember to look out for the Blue Sky collection coming in October. There may be some stores that have some leftover stock, so if you really want to jump on this, make sure you do that now. Until next time, guys, be safe, be well, and take care.